We're at Eye Medical Equipment and Service, and we're in our showroom right now looking at Stryker stretchers, used Stryker stretchers, and actually looking at the Stryker eye surgery stretcher. And we have a whole batch of them laid out here. And what I did actually is I took one of our Stryker 1005 M series stretchers here on the far left, and I wanted to put it right next to one of the Stryker eye surgery stretchers so you can kind of see side by side what the difference is between the two stretchers. Now, this right here is the Stryker 1005. It's referred to as an M series stretcher, and it's used a lot for post-anesthesia care, general patient transport. They'll use it for a host of different features in a hospital. But you can see right next to it is the Stryker 1079 eye surgery stretcher. And this stretcher has a much different headpiece section on it. And generally speaking, they're configured almost exactly the same. They're both going to have kick pedals that'll raise up and down. You have the Fowler, the head section, which is adjustable. This one here has a feature where you can crank. With this crank right here, you can adjust the feet section, which is unique usually just to the eye stretcher models. But the Stryker eye surgery stretchers are some of the best and some of the most popular eye surgery stretcher gurneys used in the used refurbished marketplace that we sell. These are used in hospitals and surgery centers all over the United States. We ship these all over the world: Mexico, Africa, India, and these are used in Latin America, Colombia, Guatemala. We ship these to hospitals and surgery centers all over the world. So the Stryker stretchers that we've got are the Stryker 1089s and 1079s. Most of these right here close to the camera are 1079s. Further back, we get into the 1089s. And we also do sell the Stryker 1068 and 1069. Now, the 1068 and 1069 are older models. However, they're configured and work exactly the same. One thing about the stretchers and some of the features here, as we move this other stretcher out of the way, is that they do have the rail here. You can just lift this section up right here, and you can bring the rail up and down. You have the kick pedal down here, which can raise the height, and then you can lower the height with this pedal right here. And that also does have your Trendelenburg and reverse Trendelenburg. So if you need to angle the patient, you can do that as well. And then you also do have your kick brake. And if you kick it down to the left, it'll brake it. If you leave it in the middle where it's at right now, the stretcher will move in any direction. And if you want to kick down the green side, that'll basically lock it out so it'll go straight down a hallway if you have to push people out of the way, or push, down the hallway to get them into post-anesthesia care. The stretchers now, they have a lot of features. This is an optional feature that's not included unless you ask for it or order it specifically with this part. Sometimes the stretchers will come. This is basically something to set your hand down on, so when the doctor's working, he has something to steady the hand with. And then also here on the back, you've got this section right here, these two red handles, where if you lift this one up, you can adjust the angle. And if you pull them both out, you can also fold this middle section in and adjust this section of it as well. And that's referred to as a dual articulating headpiece. So if you're looking for eye stretchers, surgery stretchers, we carry some of the best used, refurbished, reconditioned stretchers in the marketplace made by Stryker. The eye surgery stretcher models include, once again, the 1069, we'll start 1068, 1069, 1079, and the current model, which is a 1089 Prime Series stretcher. So if you're looking for eye surgery stretchers, give us a call. As you can see, we have a lot in stock. And we do sell everything you need for a surgery center: surgical tables, surgical lights, anesthesia machines, CO2 monitors. We set up entire surgery centers, and these are some of the best operating room, same-day procedure, laser surgery, eye surgery, dental surgery. These are used for a whole host of different procedures. They're used a lot in ambulatory care centers. So give us a call if you need these for a price quote. Eye Medical Equipment and Service, San Diego, California, 858-263-4894, Richmond, Virginia, 804-929-6886. You can also get more information off our website, which is www.imedicalshop.com. iMedical Equipment and Service, your one-stop shop for Stryker eye surgery stretchers and all your medical equipment needs.